Hi everyone, my name is Rose and this is going to be an update for the Stardew project pan that I created. So this is kind of like a rolling 5 pan kind of thing, and it's like based on the video game Stardew Valley. You just pick 5 characters and then you keep rolling through products as you use them all and stuff. I have none moving out this update, which is kind of disappointing, but like it is what it is kind of thing. So first item, why did I have to layer them like this? First item is for Gus, and it's single shadow called Hufflepuff. And I picked it for Gus because he's definitely a Hufflepuff. It's right there. I don't want to like pull it out of my magnet house, but it's there. A chunk fell out today and fell on my leg, and my leg's all yellow because it's very soft and it like crumbles really easy. But like I have now 14 uses on it, and like my goal is 20. I'll like close up. I like, hopefully this helps the glare a little bit. So I have 14 uses on it. So I only need six more. So hopefully I can get that. I don't know. I want to work on the other 2 shadows. 2, right? Yeah. 2 shadows out in this project more. But yeah, we'll see where it goes on. I'm wearing all 3 of the shadows that's in this project on my eyes today. If the glare would just stop doing that, I would be so happy. But yeah. So next we have for Abigail, have this Wet n Wild Scorpio lip gloss. My goal is 20 uses on this, and I have 12 now. This is the lip gloss I'm wearing. I'm wearing this by itself on my lips. I don't have like a super thick layer, but it's not like super thin either. I did like 2 thin layers, and it's like this. If I do it, like if I layer it up, I can get it to look like exactly what's in the tube. So like it's a purple with like blue shimmer, and like it looks a little bit more berry when you like sheer it out a little bit, but still like has a lot of pigment in it. So yeah. Next is for Evelyn, aka Granny, and I have these little hearts. I have like 2 jars of hearts on my like nightstand, and I grabbed the wrong one, and I was like, oh no, it's not that one. But yeah, I have a little jar of hearts, and I use them like this on my 2 end fingers, and I've used them 3 times. And my goal is to finish this. I just counted them today after I used them. So there's 8 more uses in this. So I'm hoping I can do like 4 and then 4 and still finish this off by the end. But like, we'll see. So hopefully I can still get this all done. Next, I have an eyeshadow for the wizard. And this eyeshadow is called Wizard. So yeah. My goal is 10 uses on it. It's this shade. It's like a gray lavender with gold glitter in it. It's really pretty. And I have 4 uses on it, and my goal is 10. So we're close, but not that close too. And then last is for Gunther. I have this Ravenclaw eyeshadow. And these will be like in the description box. But the Hufflepuff and the Ravenclaw one is from a brand that doesn't exist anymore. So it doesn't really matter if I see the brand or not. But yeah. So this one is way less soft. Like the Hufflepuff, I like dip my brush in more than just a touch. It like crumbles out. Like the Hufflepuff one is so soft. This one I don't have to be as delicate with. But this one I have 3 uses, so I'm really hoping to get this one and the wizard one out by next update. And then if I get the Hufflepuff one out, then that one will be good. But that's all 5 products, so nothing's moving out. But I'll like do a close up. I have the wizard shadow just all over my lid and blend it into the crease, and then I have the Ravenclaw as a wing and on the lower lash line, and then I have Hufflepuff right here, kind of blended together, so it's kind of like a murky, swampy green in the middle. But I really like these two blended together. I might try another look where they're like blended together. I just think the Ravenclaw one is just a little dark for my liking. It's kind of really deep blue, but yeah. So that's everything for this project. Okay, I just need to say bye and be like, bye.